This particular ultrasound transducer is for GE Corometrics fetal monitors 120, 170 and 250 series models. It is not the original manufactured by GE Corometrics but a generic non-OEM with labels stating reference number as 8031031, serial number 2170 72 80 24. There is a marking saying COMP, which stands for compatible, and mark as G5700HAX. That means compatible to G model 5700HAX. One of the clinic in Georgia purchased it from internet as a brand new unit and found that it does not work as good as the other original G transducers that they have at a clinic. Though a brand new unit, every nurse and doctor noticed the poor performance requiring a repeated repositioning or adjustment and discomfort to the expectant mom, especially with high BMI, body mass index. It did not pick up fetal heart rate at all. Upon thorough audit and check, it was found that the label information is not traceable to FDA database to determine whether it is FDA approved or not. The documents, delivery note, invoices supplied along with it, there is no mention of real compatible model number, manufacturer's name, address, country of origin, FDA approval number, and other relevant information. If looked at closely after opening, one can see that all parts are substandard quality. Obviously, non-GE crystals performance is more than 300% off from the GE factory specifications, especially very poor sensitivity for the received echo signal and the transmitted ultrasound beam quality. Silicon is poured all over inside the transducer head, damping the crystal. That is the cause for the increased bandwidth of the limits. It is absolutely non-compliant manufacturing process and materials, as the acidic silicon creates corrosion in short span of time. Upon thorough testing, the clinical director decided to trash it. Let us do a simple test comparing with genuine GE transducers connected to 120 series monitor that you see. There are two 100% original GE transducers with GE labels. Let's test them and compare. Let us not change the volume setting. Take out original transducer. Let's put this non-OEM transducer, same plug, same settings. See the very low echo volume, because sensitivity of crystals is completely damped because of the silicon use. Let's compare with another original GE transducer. Same level of testing, very low volume. Again, recheck the same socket. Let's pour a little bit more water. So echo signal is very poor, very low volume that you get because non-OEM crystals, gluing process is non-compliant. There is absolutely no work in line with GE specifications. Only distinctive thing is that the plastic case color is bright, shiny, and it appeals as if it is a brand new transducer. The connector is molded, which puts stress on fetal monitor socket, damaging it and creating spurious high FHR or fetal heart rate pickup intermittently, making it extremely difficult to determine whether fetus is at stress or not. The problem of non-GE molded connector cable has been well depicted in other videos posted on channel Toko Expert. Let's open this transducer and see what's inside. As you see, these are generic top cases. Anybody can make a label and put it there, which is not professional process or in compliance with medical device regulations. The screws used are also poor quality. There is no water tightness. In place of Phillips plus head, slotted head screw is used. Most of the time we find aluminum screws, they get rusted and difficult to remove. The rust particle fall inside and have alleviate the problem of spurious signal. So only the bright color gives a very appealing look for this non-OEM transducers, and that's the way for selling companies to deceive the look as if they are brand new. Other than the cosmetic factor, nothing is in line with GE specifications. Many times some companies do not even put the proper rubber seal and moisture goes inside. This is the transducer completely open. Again, non-compliant process here. In original transducer you will never find the foils. The foils have been stick inside. See the silicone, acidic silicone poured all over. Cable is glued to the bottom case plastic, which is not case in the GE transducer, original transducer. All over is a silicone, very dirty work. Crystals are non-OEM. This transducer is never going to work to GE specifications and comply by any regulations. For compliance testing of all the functional parameter, one needs spectrum analyzer, ultrasonic pulsar, ultrasound power meter, and other specific test equipment. There is no way this particular non-OEM transducer could be made to function within GE factory specifications. We at Avron Bionics repair original GE fetal ultrasound transducers model 5700HAX, 5700BAX, Nautilus 5700LAX, belt loop style, as well as 5700HAX button knob style, exact to Corometrics factory specification with rock solid guarantee that if the client is in doubt, have them tested at GE factory, turn in the report showing deviation in performance parameter to get full refund of repair charges with shipping cost, reimbursement for the GE factory testing fees. On top of that, a brand new GE transducer would be ordered as a free compensation towards failure to deliver OEM quality promise. One step ahead, we developed innovative proprietary technology process QR Cube that allows us to offer extended warranty over 2 years. In some cases, warranties like 5 years is possible when diaphragm is bonded using this technology for over molded plastic casings, that is typically with HP or Phillips transducers. This type of quality work brings down the maintenance cost to almost nil with normal handling care by end user as per the GE user manuals. Always coil the cable circularly more than 6 inches in a diameter, or stretch it out straight completely to increase the functional lifespan of the transducer. That means never bend the cable sharply. It will certainly increase the lifespan. Don't use any tapes, glues or that sort, and use twist tie when you coil the cable. Moreover, it remains absolutely compliant with all the regulations and requirements of the general liability insurance carrier for the hospital or clinic, with significant cost savings compared to OEM replacement. Please check out our other videos posted on YouTube channel Toco Expert and go to nautilustoco.com. Contact us for any question, clarification or suggestion you may have. Thank you for watching this video.